I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage tempered. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 small head of cabbage, finely shredded, and 1 medium onion, thinly sliced. Don't forget 2 green chilies slit for a touch of heat. We'll also use 1 teaspoon each of mustard seeds and urad dal, plus a pinch of asafoetida and a few fresh curry leaves. Finally, have 2 tablespoons of oil and salt ready to taste. Now let's start the tempering process. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and let them splutter for a few seconds. Then, add 1 teaspoon of urad dal and fry until it turns a lovely golden brown. Stir in a pinch of asafoetida and a few fresh curry leaves. Finally, add your thinly sliced onions and green chilies, sautéing them until they become translucent and soft. With our tempering ready, it's time for the star ingredient. Add the finely shredded cabbage to the pan with the aromatic spices. Sprinkle salt to taste evenly over the cabbage, ensuring it's well seasoned. Give everything a good mix, making sure the spices are distributed throughout. Now, cover the pan and let it cook on low heat for approximately 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally to ensure even cooking and prevent any sticking. After about 8 to 10 minutes, check your cabbage. It should be tender but still have a slight crunch, not mushy. Taste and adjust the salt if needed, adding just a small amount if necessary. For a final touch, garnish with some fresh coriander leaves for extra flavor and a beautiful presentation. Serve this delicious tempered cabbage hot as a wonderful side dish with rice, roti, or any main course. Enjoy this quick and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.